Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to tackle a frustrating issue many users have been facing with their iDevice when installing IPA files. The unable to install or unable to verify error messages, especially with apps like Esign and Scarlet. First things, if still get error message unable to verify, it means your device is revoked from the certificate. To fix this errors, you can use DNS anti-revoke by CoinVN. I have researched it and tried it. This anti-revoke from CoinVN can bypass revoked certificate from your device. So, open this website, then install the DNS. Then go to Settings, hit Profile Downloaded, then Install. After that, go back to the website and select the certificate that is still active, like the Kotak certificate that has just been updated and still signed. Then, install Esign Kotak. If you see Untrusted Developer, it means the certificate Esign successfully bypass. Go to Settings General, VPN and Device Management. Then click Restart and allow to trust the Esign. After restarting, now you can open Esign normally without any errors. So next step, you can import certificate Kotak into Esign. The second method that is reset your device using iCloud. I have made this video so you can follow this step to fix revoked certificate on your iDevice. You can watch and follow this video how to reset your device using iCloud without losing data. Resetting your device using iCloud can be unblacklisted your device from revoked certificate. After restarting, you can use Esign or Esign and fix unable to install or unable to verify from your device. So there you have it, two simple solutions that should help you fix the unable to install or unable to verify error for Esign and Scarlet on your iPhone or iPad. Feel free to ask any questions, and I'll do my best to help you out.